Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the CheckBook app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The CheckBook app is a simple personal finance tracker that helps users manage expenses and monitor account balances. It lets you log transactions, view running balances, and categorize spending across multiple accounts like checking, savings, or cash. Users can also set up recurring transactions, create custom categories, and filter views to track financial activity more clearly. Pros of CheckBook include its lightweight design, fast load time, and the fact that it doesn't require linking to a bank account, giving users privacy and full control over manual entry. Its straightforward setup makes it appealing to people who want simple finance tracking without complicated budgeting tools. If you found this review helpful so far, consider subscribing for more explained app reviews. On the downside, the app lacks automation features like bank syncing or real-time updates, which some users see as essential. The design feels outdated, and advanced options like exporting data or generating detailed reports are often limited to the premium version. There's also no cloud backup unless upgraded, which could mean data loss concerns for free users. In summary, CheckBook is worth using if you want a clean, manual log for finances without linking sensitive data. But if you need automation, modern visuals, or advanced reporting tools, you may want to look at other finance apps. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.